Hey everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can change your normal images into anime images for absolutely free online. So let's get started. So the tool that we'll be using is lensgo AI. So just Google lensgo AI and you'll be getting the first link. Just click that and just sign in with your Google account or your Gmail and you'll be getting a home page like this, and to the left we'll be having something called as create images. Just click that, and in the create images thing you'll be having a space to upload your own image. I'll just click on upload and just upload your image that you have and just click on open. So once you're done with this, to the left you'll be having the model. Click this and just click on anime prime, or if you want to choose any other style you can choose from this list available over here. So after choosing anime prime, you can change the number of images that is going to get generated. I will just keep it with 2. And next is the text guidance scale, which is how strongly our prompt is going to affect our image. So I'll just have it as 7, the default one. And here you can give the prompt as give anime version. That's it, and just click on start. So this is the image that I get, and this is the original realistic image that I uploaded. So it looks so cool, the anime version for real, and this is another image that I get, but I would really like the first image more than anything. Here we're having the reference image. So, and for downloading this image, here you will be having a download option. So if you just click on download, your image will be getting downloaded over there. So this is how basically you convert your normal image into anime images. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos related to AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.